I think about the moment you hear your favorite song on the radio. It feels almost magical, doesn't it? Sound traveling through thin air, invisible yet so powerful. How's this possible? The answer lies in the fascinating world of radio waves. These waves, invisible to our eyes, carry music, news and stories across vast distances. It's a symphony of science and technology that has revolutionized the way we communicate and experience the world. Before we delve into the intricacies of radio waves, let's understand how sound is produced. When we speak, our vocal cords vibrate. These vibrations travel through the air as sound waves. These waves, like ripples in a pond, reach our ears, causing our eardrums to vibrate. Our brain interprets these vibrations as sound, allowing us to hear. Sound waves need a medium to travel, such as air, water, or solids. In the vast emptiness of space, there is no air, so there is no sound. This is why astronauts need special communication devices to talk to each other while in space. Now let's talk about radio waves. These waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation, just like light and X-rays. However, unlike light, we can't see radio waves. They travel at the speed of light, which is incredibly fast. Imagine traveling around the Earth 7 times in just 1 second. That's how fast radio waves move. Radio waves are generated by special equipment called transmitters. These transmitters convert sound waves into electrical signals and then attach these signals to radio waves. Think of it like attaching a message to a carrier pigeon. The pigeon in this case is the radio wave carrying the message, which is the sound over long distances. Section 4. From studio to the airwaves. Radio stations use powerful transmitters to send out radio waves, carrying music and other programs. When a singer sings in a studio, their voice is converted into electrical signals. These signals are then combined with a specific radio wave frequency. This frequency acts like an address for your radio to find the station. The transmitter then sends out this combined signal, which is the radio wave carrying the information in all directions. These waves travel through the air at the speed of light, reaching far and wide. Section 5. Back to sound. The radio receiver. Your radio at home acts like a receiver. When you tune your radio to a specific station, you're telling it to look for a specific radio wave frequency. The antenna in your radio picks up the radio waves traveling through the air. Once the radio receives the signal, it separates the sound information from the radio wave. The radio then amplifies these signals and converts them back into sound waves that you hear through the speaker. And just like that, you're listening to your favorite song.